Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to exclude shipping locations on eBay. If you're selling on eBay, you might not want to ship your items everywhere, and that's completely normal. Some locations may have higher shipping costs, longer delivery times, or unreliable tracking, which can lead to issues with orders. That's why eBay allows you to exclude specific countries or regions from your shipping options. The problem is, many sellers don't know exactly where to find this setting or how to apply it correctly to their listing. Start by opening eBay and logging into your account. Click on My eBay. This will take you to your account dashboard. Inside My eBay, click on Selling. This opens your seller dashboard where all your listings are managed. Now go to Drafts. You can also use an active listing. Click on the listing you want to edit. Clarification: drafts are easier to modify, but the same process works for active listings. Scroll down until you find the shipping section. Here you'll see your delivery options and regions. Click on See Shipping Options. A drop-down menu will appear with more settings. Inside the drop-down, find the option Excluded Locations. Turn this option on. Clarification: this feature allows you to block specific countries or regions from being able to purchase your item. Now scroll down and click on Excluded Locations. You'll see a list of countries, regions. Select the ones you want to exclude. Clarification: buyers from these locations will not be able to place orders, and this helps you avoid shipping issues or high costs. Once you've selected your locations, click Done. Then save or update your listing. Your shipping exclusions are now active. eBay shipping settings properly gives you more control over your orders and reduces risk. To summarize, excluding shipping locations on eBay involves going to your listing, opening shipping options, enabling excluded locations, selecting the countries you want to block, and saving your changes. This helps you control where your items can be shipped. And that's how to exclude shipping locations on eBay. This is one of those settings that can quietly save you a lot of trouble if used correctly. Instead of dealing with expensive shipping, delays, or unreliable deliveries, you're setting clear boundaries for where you're willing to do business. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.